Hey there. Good afternoon, Bob with Trade Genius. Sunday, the 26th of August. I'm just going to show you one chart that sums up why I'm doing what I'm doing. So since July, the middle of July, this is the SPY to GLD ratio. And if you notice, the SPY has been unrelenting against the ETF or gold, if you will. And the money flow has been diverging radically, and I think we're now at a point where, and this is just showing me the relative strength here, is that we're starting to get a little bit of a change in character here as well, and this is why I've been interested in starting to accumulate and stay with the silver miners and not get involved in any other aspect of the market unless there's some special situations. And so I think there could be a pretty good move down here, and I think it's going to come here sooner than later, because this is pretty amazing in terms of the basically the divergence between the two. So what I'm looking for to do is probably put on a convergence trade. I'll probably buy, something like SH or SD, whatever it is. I have to look for. I think it's SD, the short SPY, but not leveraged. And I'll probably buy SLV. This is in more of a longer term account I have, or something I'll share with our subscribers, and just to ride the storm. Because I think what we're going to have here is, I think we're going to have an outperformance of gold and silver versus a SPY, but I'm not quite sure we're going to sell off yet in the markets. I think there's another bell they need to ring, and as you can see here, going into the futures chart, is that we hit the all-time high, and we're going into the fourth week here, and then we're going into the move with the interest rates going up in September, and then we're going into the political season, and so just bear that in mind. But that's how I'm positioning. I think there's a change of character coming, and I think it's gonna benefit the precious metals. Now, for me, and what I've been sharing with you guys, I've been talking about this now almost 2 months, is that our Slingshot is basically just giving us free money, and we had 2 of them on Friday. And you can still get this software. Today's the last day. We're offering a special deal on it. In fact, there's one word called special deal. And this thing just fires, and it just these moves have just been incredible. And it works in bull market or in bear market. Bull market, they tend to fire earlier in the day. Bear market, they tend to fire towards the end of the day, when the speculators are closing their short book to get flat for the day or flat for the week. And so we don't really care. It's just a nice trade. Otherwise, we're looking at, if we're in an up move, we're buying blue, and we're in a down move, we're shorting gray. So for me, it's either long or cover right now, and when the character changes in the market, we'll be short and cover. But always take the Slingshot long. So anyway, I wanted to share that with you, and you can get it if you just go to tradelikeagenius.com. Okay, we have other specials running. We got some bundles. If you're not interested just in the software here, you can get into our trading room. We talk about this stuff all the time. We have training classes teaching about why we do what we do and how we do it. And then if you want to just get the software itself, you go in here, you go to Day Trading Money Machine. Our normal price is $8.99 a year for access to it. However, we're going to offer the special deal. Ends today at midnight, and it's 67% off, so you're basically getting it for around $270 some, something like that. And we've been limiting how many we give out a day. It's been really well received. But today, hey, we'll take as many people as want to get it. You got one last day, so I would take advantage of it. Thanks for listening. I'll be back with some other things closer to the open, but a character change is in the market right now, and that's what you need to look at. Start accumulating precious metals. Start distributing out the fangs and the market, and the professionals are already doing so. You can see it in the chart. Thanks for listening. Bye-bye.